guys, today we have iPhone 11 not charging due to the charger is not going into the charging port hole. As you can see, there is a gap between the charging and the charger cable. So this is must be dust got into the charging hole. When you put that device into your pocket, so anything from your pocket could goes to that area, and from time to time it will become a circle of trash. You will see what will we get from into there. The first one, you see, also sometimes could be hair inside. In this way we can remove everything from the inside after we clean everything. And you see that circle, big one? Oh my god, what is that doing on there? After we get it out, seems this is the last thing we are going to take out. Then we can use the brush with the alcohol to clean it. So customer bring the device told me that the device is not charging. He didn't even know that there is some rubbish inside his charging port. So we are now going to clean. After a few seconds we will try if the phone is charging and the cable charger is inserted full in. I think we are good to test and see. Anyway, that was for today. Our problem has been solved. If you have any other questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.